Hey, let's fix the gun. So I took Babette up for a morning flight, and it was pretty bumpy, but other than that, she flew great. But there were these little puffy white clouds up there that looked, for all intents and purposes to me, like German balloons, which I'd kind of like to shoot down, but I can't do that because I didn't have my gun installed. This gun is made out of a 2x4, some doweling, a PVC pipe, an aluminum piece of tubing that's taped for the muzzle flash, and just some wood out here and a piece of doweling for the handle. The drum came from a kit. I originally bought a PVC kit and screwed it up so bad that I just had to trash it, but I did manage to save the magazine. How this is mounted onto the aircraft is fairly straightforward. There are, wow, look at that. Okay, so there are two pieces right here, and they come down and they screw into those little hickey flodgers that we put on the front of the wing there. We'll just screw those in. And the back is just a piece of all thread. That's all that is. 1/4 inch all thread that comes down, and it'll go into another hickey flodger that I've made up that I have to measure up. And you just screw it in and it just comes up here, and that's it. It's pretty darn simple. The solution for the gun being a little too far forward than I wanted was to simply move this bolt forward. The problem is that there's a big wooden plug that goes in here, and this aluminum tube goes back into it. And I'm afraid if I start drilling through this, I'm going to wind up hitting all that stuff and boogering it up, and I'm right back to where I started at. So instead, we're just going to mount it the way it was. It'll be a little forward than I like it, but that's okay. That's not a big deal. And then we'll go ahead and do that. So boys and girls, looks like we're armed now. Too sweet. Next time around, we're going to be working on the combing. That's the stuff around the cockpit. One last thing. If you could leave a comment below telling me how I can improve on these videos, what you'd like to see me work on, or just a general observation, it would really help me out, because I don't know if what I'm doing is good or bad or indifferent. I'm just kind of having fun. If not, thanks for watching.